Welcome to East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales, America's premier automotive transport equipment supplier, representing Trail Trailers, jerr-dan, Galfab roll-offs, and multi-lift. We'd like to introduce the ECTTS brands of securement straps, wire rope, and chain assemblies. All of these products are assembled at our headquarters in Portsmouth, Virginia. All components and assemblies undergo our multi-step inspection process and are independently verified through the Web Sling and Tie-Down Association. This ensures our products meet and exceed industry standards. Since day one, East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales has worked tirelessly to provide our customers with a level of service that surpasses all other experiences. Key features of our assembly process that ensure the highest quality possible is using our CNC sewing machines and automated cutters. We warehouse a large stock of webbing, chain, wire rope, and fittings to provide fast turnarounds and ready-to-ship inventory. And because we control the process, custom orders and configurations are possible for customers that require a custom-tailored solution. So look for East Coast Truck and Trailer Sales to bring more made in the USA products to you.